The year was 1965. It was a dream come true for the hardworking folks in Janesville. A union built on faith, a hope for better tomorrows built on trust, a place where GM workers were welcome and every account was handled with care. That was the beginning of Blackhawk, a credit union dedicated to promoting thrift, bearing the name of the famous chief of the SOC, tested by fire and strengthened by Midwestern values. Through the 70s, more workers from local businesses were welcomed, and membership was expanded to all of Rock County. Soon, Walworth and Greene would join Rock County, and by the turn of the century, Blackhawk was right in step with the times, launching internet banking, but never losing sight of their roots. By 2004, Blackhawk's commitment to its members was clear, and that commitment could now be seen in the addition of community to the Blackhawk name. 2009 brought student-run branches in both high schools, but that year also brought adversity. Adversity that was no match for a spirit that would donate the last car off the line and keep this community moving forward. By 2010, Dane and Jefferson counties were added, and a new branch in Stoughton was introduced, bringing the branch total to 6. 2014 added a smart branch in Beloit, and soon in Milton. Today, the little credit union that began back in '65 has grown into 42,330 members, with assets of over $400 million. But our most important asset is the community we serve. 50 years. And still going strong.
I think we made a difference in a lot of people's lives.
Recently, I went to a visitation where somebody had died, of course, and the widow came up to me and said, "You know, I don't know if you realize that what good you did for the credit union back in such and such a date. We didn't know what to do, and the credit union came to our support and just took care of us, and you know, it was kind of neat to get that."
When we started this credit union, like, we each helped each other out, you know, by doing this, by putting your money invested in here and there. Use their money also to help you, and they vice versa. So you're more or less helping one another throughout all this. See, where the banks, no, they don't do that. This individually, you're helping one another. Banks don't do that. They come in like greed, you know, instead of helping one another. See, to me, all they want is more capital. But we grow and we help one another.
I would say when we started, there was probably 12 to 14 finance companies in Janesville. These were finance companies that their rates was from 25% to 2.5% a month, which is 30%, to 3% a month, which is 36%. And if you look back through the old telephone books, all of them finance companies are gone.
People with a hardship come to us, and we got to a point where when we just took a loan application, we would sort of look and see who they owed money to, and if they had money owed to a collection agency, we would sort of rub our hands together and say, "Boy, we're going to get that account," and we normally did. Probably not the smartest thing we ever did, but we were very successful. And I think we left a lot of people, you know, really happy with what we did for them and really appreciated it. So I really liked that part of it.
We continued to make the loans that probably would not be made today under today's standards. But we were very successful at it, and people really appreciated it.
Well, that's what I'm proud of. I'm proud of it because I found out in life, you got to help one another. If you don't, you ain't never going no place. You got to help one another through life. And I've had a lot of help in my life, like I said, my children and so forth. A lot of people come to bat for me, and I really got to thank them all.
We started with small loans. $235, as I recall, was the largest loan we could make. And then you may have to wait for 2 or 3 weeks till we got the money in to loan out.
I can't say enough for what's happened to the credit union. To see a building like we've got here and all the buildings we were involved in. Never would have dreamed it would have ever happened. But like I say, I had good people work for me, and I'm proud of the ones we got now. It's just a great organization.
Overall, I got to give the people credit. Like Glenn and Pat, they went in there and did a wonderful job. And even these people that started it, now they're all gone, except me, I think. I think I'm the only one left out of the 7 charter members left here today. But I'm proud of every one of them that started it with me, even if they are gone.
Well, the best part was that we was able to get decent loan rates down to the majority of the people in the community of Janesville, Rock County. Like I said, there was at least 12 finance companies that were doing a good business when we started the credit union, and they're all gone now.
I'm not saying this is a fond memory, going up 3 flights of stairs to the credit union, but it was an amazing sight for me to see. I'd look out my window sometimes, I'd see people lined all the way out to the street, up that double flight of stairs and all the way out to the street, coming in to do business with the credit union. And I just thought it was great like that. So,
thanks, Blackhawk, for taking care of business when I was in the Gulf.
Hey folks, Paul Ryan here. I just wanted to wish all of you at the Blackhawk Credit Union a happy 50th anniversary. I just want to wish you all the success in the future, and thank you for being such a great contributor to our community. Congratulations.
Thanks, Blackhawk, for helping students like me with scholarship grants.
50 years. Congratulations, Blackhawk. From the Board of Directors, a big thank you goes out to the community and everybody who helped make the best 50 years a credit union could ever want. Again, congratulations, Blackhawk, and here's to 50 more years.
Thanks, Blackhawk, for backing family farms like ours.
Hi, I'm Representative Deb Colstein, and I want to congratulate you on 50 years. I also want to thank you for your commitment and responsibility to our community and all of your members.
Hi, I just wanted to offer my congratulations on the 50th anniversary of the Blackhawk Community Credit Union. You've been around for a long time in the community. You've put a lot of effort into so many nonprofits.
Thanks, Blackhawk, for giving people with disabilities a chance.
Happy 50th anniversary, Blackhawk Community Credit Union. For the past 5 decades, you have provided essential services to your members and our community.
Thanks, Blackhawk, for being there when my wife and I really needed you.
Congratulations on 50 years of serving your community. I just turned 60, so I have a pretty good sense of how long that is. That's quite a testament to the folks who built Blackhawk Community Credit Union. I salute your hometown values of thrift, hard work, and service. That's certainly the way I was raised and how I've tried to live my life. You demonstrate what matters most in business, people. Thank you, Blackhawk, for making Wisconsin a better place to live.
Thanks, Blackhawk, for helping us make great choices. You rock!